Doon na tayo bababa pala.
Feeling ko hindi.
Ah.
Ay, Iswela! Oh my God, mamamatay ako. Come back, anak. Parang awa mo na, anak. Gusto. Yan, okay. Hindi kasi baka magkaano. Ako na yung pinaka-K-Joy na nanay dun sa... bawat ano na lang.
Thank you, Tito Freddy.
Hi, everyone.
Ay,
Happy
nako.
Mother's Day po.
Happy Mother's Day.
You're good, love? Say which one? It? It.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Hi.
Doon na tayo bababa pala.
Feeling ko hindi.
Ah.
Ay, Iswela! Oh my God, mamamatay ako. Come back, anak. Parang awa mo na, anak. Gusto.
Bahay na Tito Freddy, ah.
Yes, my love. You're correct, baby girl.
Yan, bahay
Really
ni
nice, your phone safe. I'm scared.
Freddy
Dami na hold on.
Garcia.
Ninang will hold it
Tito
na lang.
Freddy Garcia.
Give to me, anak. It's my
Tito Freddy po, yung presidente ng ABS-CBN.
Give it to mommy.
Yung kasama ko po sa
Ay, no,
Pilipinas
give it to
Got
me,
Talent.
Baka mahulog nila.
Yun po, si Tito Freddy.
There, sit with her. Go there. But, yan, okay. Hindi, kasi baka magkaano. Ako na yung pinaka-kjoy na nanay dun sa... bawat ano na lang. Wah!
Carolina, where's your house? There! Isabella, where's Carolina's house? There!
Tatay is in the AVR, I told you. It's next to the purple room. Oh, yan, oh, babe, oh, tinan mo, nag-agaw buhay na ito. Finod mo or finod niya yung paa niya?
Sunod.
Finod niya, oh. Yeah, it's red, right? The AVR is red.
You know, there's proof in the APR of why my Lola and Lola like me and my siblings more than the other grandkids.
Oh, really?
Because in the APR there's a whole wall just of the photos of me and my siblings.
Really?
And not the other grandkids. It's hilarious.
Okay, let me check that out.
But I'm not there. I'm so upset about
Oh
that.
no!
I wasn't
Born
born
yet.
yet. So my mom said that she's gonna add, and then my sister was like, no, because then
It will change what she put.
no.
Ako, malolobat ako.
My aunties and my uncles are gonna start adding their kids on
Yeah.
the wall.
Nakikita mo ba?
Hold on. Kiss in.